Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm here to tell you the basic preparation tips for the NEET biology and the basic timetable. So in biology, one can get the good marks with the basic concepts and the better clarity actually. So how? So to study the NEET, we require the proper discipline and well managed daily routine. So otherwise we can't concentrate on that. So we should, for not only for the NEET, for any exam you need the proper discipline and well managed daily routine. So let us discuss few tips for the NEET exam. So let us see. So first, start reading as early as possible. So you have to start in the day or before the exam also. So as soon as possible you have to start the preparation, and don't read from many different sources of the books because you will get confused. And in NEET, 70% of the questions will come from the NCERT textbook only. So do practice more on the NCERT textbooks questions. So and practice questions as much as possible you can from NEET sample of the old papers. Because it is based on the time management is important, because 180 questions they will give for 3 hours. So for each question you will get the 1 minute. That means you have to concentrate, you have to practice more to manage the time in the examination. Okay, so next, for this you have to practice more and more questions, more mock tests you have to attempt, and understand the basic concepts and stay focused. Concentrate on the weak sessions and do hard work on the weaker sessions. Complete sleep is the best meditation. So don't follow hectic schedules or don't read for the longer periods. You should take the breaks. Stick to your timetable and don't use any gadgets. Make a realistic plan with short goals. The plan should be realistic study plan, and get your doubts resolved within a given time. So every day you have to resolve your doubt, otherwise your time will be wasted, and you have to concentrate on weaker sessions, so harder part. And for anything you need the breaks. Smaller breaks are very important, they play important role. If you see the timetable, early morning 5 to 6 a.m learn, you have to start and learn one or any challenging topic. So any hard topic from any other subject also you can read. Daily routine work finish before 9 a.m. Bathing, breakfast, everything you should finish before 9 a.m. And 9 to 12 you have to learn the new chapters with small breaks in between, physics, chemistry or the biology also you can. And 12 to 1 practice the mock test from that topic which you learned. And 1 to 2 lunch and relax for the some time. So 2 to 4 practice the old question papers and important questions you can practice from 2 to 4. So this is the must, practice is the must, and also mock test is also important. And 4 to 5 you have to relax, or any hobby, family or with us friends you can spend the time. 5 to 6 doubts resolve, you can resolve your doubts or any queries you have. So 7 to 8:30 revise the topic, because revision is must for anything. So revise in this time and practice the examples from all the topics in biology, morphology, animal kingdom, plant kingdom, many examples are there, you can practice. All the best, and thank you all. Please like, subscribe and share the video if you like.